we do a lot of the legwork for our clients during pre-construction because we want to make sure that we're helping them, we're hand walking them through the process, and for us, it creates value and it establishes that relationship. People do not understand what it takes to get to being able to build and what's involved, and that will deter somebody from purchasing land, moving forward with a deal because there's so many steps that are involved and there's a lot that they don't know. And so if they've never built before, for us, we found it that they're more likely to use us because we do have a pre-construction coordinator in place that will help them walk through our pre-construction checklist and make sure that they understand, at least if we don't do necessarily all of the paperwork. A lot of it has to be done in their name, but what we can do is make sure we know, Joe or Johnny or Jenny at the planning and zoning department to connect them to that direct person, not that they're just calling and getting some answer machine.